Hello everyone, welcome to House Decor. Today in this video I am going to show you some vintage cottage aesthetic home decorating ideas. Let's take a look. Vintage cottage aesthetic home decor is a warm, cozy and nostalgic decorating style that combines the charm of old-fashioned cottages with vintage treasures. It creates a peaceful home filled with timeless furniture, soft colors, natural materials, and handmade accents. Here are some vintage cottage aesthetic home decor tips. Mix antique furniture with newer pieces for a balanced look. This keeps your home charming without feeling outdated. Decorate with fresh flowers whenever possible. They bring natural beauty and a touch of cottage charm to any space. Layer crochet blankets, quilts, and soft throws on sofas and beds. Different textures make the room feel warm and cozy. Choose natural wood furniture with a slightly aged finish. Small imperfections add character and authenticity. Display vintage dishes and teacups on open shelves. They become both practical items and beautiful decorations. Use lace or linen curtains to let sunlight filter through softly. Natural light enhances the warm cottage atmosphere. Add wicker baskets throughout your home for storage. They keep clutter organized while adding rustic texture. Decorate with candles and warm table lamps instead of harsh overhead lights. Soft lighting creates a peaceful and relaxing mood. Hang vintage botanical prints or countryside artwork on your walls. These pieces reinforce the timeless cottage aesthetic. Bring indoor plants into every room. Greenery makes the space feel fresh and connected to nature. Use ceramic or stoneware accessories in the kitchen and dining room. They add handcrafted charm and lasting beauty. Add handmade crochet decorations such as pillow covers or table runners. Handmade details make your home feel unique and personal. Create cozy reading corners with a comfortable chair and a small side table. Add a soft blanket to make the space even more inviting. Incorporate seasonal decorations made from natural materials. Pine cones, dried flowers, and oven baskets work beautifully throughout the year. Let your home evolve slowly by collecting pieces you truly love. A vintage cottage style feels most authentic when it grows naturally over time. Use oven rugs made from natural fibers. They add warmth, texture, and timeless charm to your floors. Display handmade pottery on shelves or dining tables. Each piece brings a unique and authentic touch to your decor. Add a vintage-style wall clock to your living room or kitchen. It serves as both a functional item and a decorative accent. Use glass jars to display dried flowers, herbs, or seashells. These simple decorations add a personal and rustic touch. Keep fresh greenery and windowsills throughout the year. Plants make every room feel brighter and more alive. Choose handmade candles with natural scents like lavender or vanilla. Their soft glow creates a peaceful evening atmosphere. Mix floral prints with solid colored fabrics to maintain balance. Too many patterns can make our room feel busy. Use white or cream table linens to brighten your dining space. Soft colors make meals feel more relaxed and inviting. Hang delicate wreaths made from dried flowers or eucalyptus. They bring natural beauty to walls and doors. Add decorative pillows in different textures such as linen, crochet, and velvet. Layering textures creates depth without overwhelming the space. Keep decorations meaningful rather than following every trend. A home filled with treasured pieces always feels more inviting. Let every room reflect comfort, simplicity, and timeless beauty. The best vintage cottage homes feel collected, cozy, and full of character. Choose furniture with a distressed painted finish. Gentle signs of wear add charm and make the room feel well loved. Use soft, oversized cushions to make sitting areas more inviting. Comfort is one of the most important parts of cottage life. Decorate with dried roses, lavender, or eucalyptus. These natural elements add beauty that lasts for months. Use vintage-style floral china for everyday meals instead of saving it for special occasions. Beautiful tableware makes daily life feel more special. Choose soft striped or checked fabrics along with floral prints. Mixing patterns carefully creates a classic cottage look. Decorate with old watering cans, animal pictures, or milk jugs. Fill them with seasonal flowers for a charming display. Add vintage-inspired hooks in the entryways or kitchen. They provide practical storage while enhancing the cottage aesthetic. Place an open picnic basket in the living room as decorative storage. It adds character while keeping blankets or magazines organized. Display handmade crochet table turners on dining or console tables. They instantly make the space feel warm and personal. Add a small wooden stool beside a chair or sofa. It works as a charming side table for books, tea, or flowers. Keep window decorations light and airy. Avoid heavy curtains that block natural sunlight. Focus on creating a home that feels comfortable and welcoming every day. True vintage cottage style is about warmth, simplicity, and timeless elegance. Decorate your mantel or shelves with antique candlesticks. Their etched finish adds timeless elegance and warmth. Layer different shades of white, cream, and beige throughout the room. This creates depth while keeping the space soft and airy. Place vintage suitcases under a console table or at the foot of the bed. They add character and can also provide hidden storage. Let your home tell a story through meaningful vintage finds and handmade treasures. A true vintage cottage aesthetic feels personal, welcoming, and beautifully lived in. Thanks for watching the video.